Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along to a ongoing adventure that I do every year. I'll be autocrossing my Subaru BRZ, and I will be capturing the passion, the love, and all of the good things that come along with a big me. So, let me take you along. So we are here at the SubieMods Meet, and I wanted to ask a bunch of enthusiasts what their thoughts are about the industry, about what makes it so special, and what they do that powers them through to get what they do. So we're here, and I'm trying to get the perspective of drivers that have been doing this for a while, and I just want to get these two questions out. And who do we have here? We have Bucky.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Best person to answer these questions. I have a question. What was originally that got you into racing and into just Subarus in general?
Okay, that's an easy question. What got me into racing was the fact that I just wanted to express, I had the adrenaline to drive. I attended my first track day, and from there, I started just building my car basically around what would make it perform better on the track. And here I am today.
That's great. And the second question is, if you were to tell my viewers and every viewer out there, or everyone in the industry of racing, what would be the best description of the essence and the feeling? Because everybody sees like, oh, you went to a car show, you went to a race, you went to this, but they don't really feel the sense of the passion, the love, that attention to detail. As you can see, all these cars here have invested countless hours.
Yeah.
Like, this is my car club, but they even invested tens of hundreds of hours sometimes on getting them ready to the way. But what would be the statement that you would say that would describe the most what the passion towards cars means to you?
I'm going to go back to your first question, one of the first questions, and what got me driving a Subaru was once I got introduced to driving a Subaru and their symmetrical all-wheel drive, I was a road racer. I was, looking to race in Grand Am and everything back in the day, and once I drove a Subaru,
it was a different feeling,
and on loose surface, there's nothing like it in the world. Yeah. So, that's why I'm such a Subaru head right now.
That's awesome.
And coming to shows like this, it also goes back to personalities. Everyone has their own personality. Everyone has their own situation that they were raised and how they were brought up, and individuals. Some may have some mental health issues, some may have some physical issues, some may have something where, you know, there's support dogs out there.
Right. Yeah.
Well, here we have support cars, so that's the basis of it.
Definitely.
And I feel like, you know, each car is individual to the owner, and
Right.
not only do you get the owner story, you get the car and the owner story.
That's awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. I'm doing autocross in my car, and then I'll be seeing you race, and I just can't wait.
So,
All right. Thank you so much. Take care. We are here at WinningPrizes Meet, and this place is buzzing with energy. From raffles to autocross and car show and all these nice things, this is going to be a good one. So stick with me. I'm gonna show you what's it all about. This is the part that was stressful. While I was trying to do my best time during the day, the first one I ended up losing my side marker, which bummed me out, but it was all about winning. So I kept on looking at my times, and I kept on looking at my times and making sure that I improved every run. So the first run I did a 46, then my second run I did a 44, then I continued to go down little by little, but I plateaued at 42 by my fourth run. That being said, I needed to be less than 41 to be able to win the prize. There was another competitor that was really close to me and was so catching up to me every run, and I was so nervous. But because my first run wasn't recorded, I ended up having to take an extra one. But mind you, the last run I was still winning by 0.02 seconds. And yes, indeed, that last run I sent it. I said either this one makes me or breaks me, and I ended up taking the first place with a 41.918. That was 2 seconds faster than the previous runs that I had. I just could not have been any happier than that.
Hello, winner. What do you got to say for your fans?
I want to thank the people that don't have TV that can watch me right now. I want to thank the people who can understand what autocross is. That being said, I want to thank the people that supported me, all my fans, all my YouTube channel subscribers, and
What's your
those
YouTube?
kids last night that saw me on the parking lot and said, "Is that your YouTube channel?" and made my day. My YouTube channel is 1C Missing Good, baby. Subscribe. Let's go.
Now I gotta roll with ice. All these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice.
I can take it. So here we are at the end of the event one more time. But I'm able to bring back the trophy, the second trophy home, and I'm super excited. I just want you guys to feel how it feels, this rush of emotions of winning. Sometimes the love for cars is shown in different ways. This is my way of showing the passion for cars. Racing, hanging out with a bunch of friends, just being at an event all day, being tired, but the emotions are the ones that take the place. So here, I will probably show you guys the prize giving, the trophy, and then we're gonna hit the road to go back to them and celebrate.
Hello.
918s in rear-wheel drive stock.
Hello.
Number 13, Juan Carpentiero. Moving on to turbo stock.
I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice.
While figuring out what it means to be into car racing, I realized that the most important part of it is the people you meet, the people you hang out with, the ones that do the same exact thing because they love cars. So if you're one of them, you'll enjoy this one.